Okay, so this is one of the last unboxing videos for the R109 project. I don't know what I believe this is the LED kit for the bike. Yeah, just your basic bag from the seller, from eBay or whatever. Nothing else. And this is the box. It's blah blah blah, made in China. Just your regular cardboard box. This is the main thing, the sauce. Let's get into it. Show you what's in the inside. So we got extra 3M adhesive, a fuse, and some connectors for the battery, for the ground and the positive. What else? We got 6 LED strips. We got large. Yeah, we got 2 large, 2 medium ones. This is the medium, and we got 2 small ones right here. They're waterproof and they multicolor. I don't know. I think they said it has like 20 colors different. These ones are the quick connector, so you don't have to worry about them splicing out or getting problems into it or water. Just connect them as a connector at the end. They're well built, honestly. And this is all the main harness for the connections. This one goes to the unit for the battery. And this is the main unit, also with the remote control for it. And this is the thing that goes into your battery. It sends the signal to change colors and all that shit. And as you can see, this is your wires, your black and your positive, and this is the antenna. I don't know what this blue one is for, but I'm gonna check it out later on when I install it. But yeah, this basic kit for the LED for the bikes. It's on eBay. There are different prices, like around 30, 25, 40. It depends on how many LED strips you get. I just get the basic ones, just 6. You don't need too many LEDs, or else you're gonna look like a fucking Christmas tree going down the road. So yeah, that's about it. That's the LED strip kit, and show you on the next one how it looks on the bike. Hopefully it looks nice. It gives a nice touch to that bitch right there. So I'll keep you guys posted and see you in the next one.